Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten.
So I'm travelling again, and here's a few new items that have made it to my have to carry on a flight list. Firstly, and frankly, I feel like I should have been wearing these for years, considering just how much I fly, and that's compression socks. I've recently had some friends have some real serious issues with DVTs, and it's made me think that I do need them. Next on the list is my new travel watch, which is a Casio as usual, but this time it's a Casio AE 1500, which I think might actually be even better than the Casio World Time for travel. Now the next thing, and I love it, but I appreciate I do look pretty stupid in it, is my soft earphones. Now these actually are beautifully soft and I can wear them to sleep in, which I think on a plane is absolutely perfect because you just need something to block out all those sounds around you. They can also be used as an eye mask. It's incredibly difficult to sleep on a plane, especially if you're in economy. But I genuinely think these are the best things that I've found to block out those annoying noises. They work via Bluetooth, so I can just play a podcast or some soothing sounds or music from my phone. And of course, these days the planes have Wi-Fi, so that's even easier. But as always, I say you can't trust the Wi-Fi, so make sure you have a good book to read and a book that's long enough that could last the full length of the flight in case the in-flight entertainment's not working. So this one was 10 hours. So next on my list is a high quality rucksack. Now I much prefer using a rucksack to having a trolley bag, mostly because I know I'm never going to be asked to put it in the hold. And to be honest, it holds nearly as much stuff as a trolley bag anyway. I chose this one with loads of pockets and it's very functional with different handles and everything. I got it from Amazon and I'm really happy with the purchase. It's got a padded back, soft shoulder straps. Now these are actually metal clasps, which is really unusual these days. They always seem to be plastic. And the inside is padded, so I've got somewhere safe to put my laptops. Funny story, the night before departing on my flight, I actually left this rucksack in the gym with laptops and everything inside, but luckily I can say that the people of Paisley were honest, and in first thing in the morning before my flight I had to, in a real rush, drive down and collect it so I could use it and so I didn't lose all my stuff. So that was a bit of luck really, to be honest, all just in time. So I made it to Barbados, and if you'd like to hear more about what I got up to next, please do subscribe. Bye bye.